little friends! I'm Sparkly, your Golden Star teacher. Welcome to Little Star Rhymes. Fun learning, bright songs, happy smiles, and yes, totally ad-free fun, because learning should always be joyful.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, let's count numbers near and far. Clap your hands and sing with me. Counting is so fun, you'll see. One little star is shining bright. Two white clouds float in the night. Three cute birds are flying high. Four tall trees touch the sky. Five big flowers bloom so tall. Counting stars is fun for all. Twinkle, twinkle, count with me. Numbers are as fun as can be. Clap your hands, shout again. Let's count together, 1 to 10. Six blue fish swim side by side. 7 bees buzz and dance with pride. 8 red apples hang on a tree. 9 little rabbits hop with glee. 10 bright stars say goodnight, friend. Counting fun will never end. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, we counted numbers near and far. Clap your hands, sing once again. Hooray! We counted 1 to 10.